Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a stop loss on Etrade. First, log into your Etrade account and navigate to the trading platform. You'll need to select the stock or ETF you wish to place an order on. Understanding how these orders function is crucial for managing your portfolio's risk. We'll cover the step-by-step process to ensure you can confidently protect your investments. Etrade provides different stop order types to suit your strategy. A standard stop order converts to a market order once your specified stop price is hit, executing at the next available price. For more control, a stop limit order becomes a limit order, ensuring it only executes at or better than your limit price. Trailing stop orders are dynamic, adjusting with the stock price to lock in profits. To place your order, first select the sell action for your chosen security. From the order type dropdown, pick either stop or stop limit. Input the specific stop price you want to set. If you chose a stop limit, also enter your limit price. Finally, confirm the number of shares and select an order duration, like good for day or good till canceled, before reviewing and submitting. Optimizing your stop loss strategy is key to long-term success. Always review your stop prices regularly, especially when market volatility increases or your investment thesis changes. Setting your stop too close to the current price might lead to premature selling during normal fluctuations. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Smart risk management helps you stay ahead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.